Okay, yeah, we are learning. Very warm welcome to all. So today in this video we are going to discuss about create a real application with BigQuery. Without wasting time, let's get started. So in this particular lab, we need to add vertex BigQuery data. So this is the collector. Let's go to Google Cloud Console. Agree the terms and conditions. Open BigQuery. Overview. Agree the terms and conditions. Here you need to some correction. Here we need to duplicate field. We now we created one connector. So we need to go IAM permission and provide necessary reading guide permission to this particular service account. Okay, here I can see. Here you need to click on grant access. You need to add this email ID. Okay then. Also we need to enable matrix. What is the here we need to go to the data set. Now we need to run this query. Here we need to um, use embedding. So basically, vector index. Oh, great. This is also clear. Here we try to create one genuine remote with connection disconnectivity 2.5 unitary. Okay, great. So we successfully completed all the modules. So this is a very small lab about this particular lab. Thank you so much. Have a great day.